believe the Indonesian market will be a very interesting and dynamic market in the future.
Yeah, this is the very first edition of Interzum Jakarta and the International Hardware Fair Indonesia, here co-located with IFMAC. And this year we are very happy to have 400 exhibitors, expecting 15,000 visitors here over the 4 days. And this is a very good start, what we are building here in Indonesia.
Interzum Jakarta is an international brand, and that is why AHAG is here today, and also with other international brands to showcase the beauty of our products to the local market here.